Okay, we are live. Do the intro.
Hi everyone, welcome to our Vibecoding Cafe. Today we have
Episode 1 of Vibecoding Cafe.
Hello everyone, welcome to our Vibecoding Cafe. This is episode 1. My name is Renata and I'm new to Vibecoding. And this is Dimitris, who is quite advanced. And he will be helping today build an app and sharing best practices.
What app are we building?
So my idea is a game similar to the one that you see when you open the Chrome without internet, like the jumping dino, but I want to make it a jumping kitten with a pink bow, and it should jump in between different locations, for example, like matcha cafes, Pilates studios.
Let's show what you mean. So I disabled the internet connection and I'll go to, is it on Chrome?
Yes. Yes.
So yeah, when you don't have a connection and you try to access a website on Chrome, you get this little game that appears. It's similar to this Flappy Bird game that was very popular a while ago. Just a simple jumping game, and you get a score. As you progress. So we want to build something similar, right?
Something similar, but the kitty would be jump from building to building. I got inspired by my own cat who jumped from the third floor and broke her leg. So I want to save my cat. So you should make sure that it doesn't fall. If it falls, then it breaks the leg. That's what we are working on
today. Such an interesting background story.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll kind of guide the technical side of things, and then you will guide me with the ideas and the design and the general idea and the concept behind the game, and we can work together to to slowly vibe code it step by step. So I'll create a new folder here on the laptop. Let's call it
Jumping Kitten.
Kitten game.
Mm-hmm.
And I will open this directory in Windsurf, which is actually my IDE of choice. It's basically the coding environment that I choose to develop in.
Maybe at first good to mention what do you need to start even vibe coding. You need this.
A development environment. So you can use Windsurf, you can use Visual Code Studio, what's the other one? Cursor. There are just so many, and it doesn't really matter which one you use as long as you're able to see your files and you're able to create a terminal, which is what I'm going to do now. So I can run a coding agent, and that's the second thing we want. We need a coding agent.
And for this, you need a subscription, I think, with either ChatGPT or Claude.
Yeah.
Or maybe you can use also some
there are a lot
source,
of
Chinese. But we will be using Claude.
Claude, I think.
Yeah.
So we already have Claude installed, and we will just run Claude in the terminal here, and we can now start vibe coding. So.
How to start?
share a high-level overview of what you have in mind.
So this is a game similar to Chrome Dino game, but the main character is a white kitten with a pink bow.
Okay.
It jumps from one building to another building. If it falls, then it breaks a leg, and the game is over.
Mm-hmm.
I don't. I'm on a learning journey, and I only know front end now. So I want to use only front end to build this game. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. Also another idea is collecting fish coins while you jump from building to building.
Mm-hmm.
And also increasing the difficulty of the game.
Right.
And then also I had an idea of building different visual setups, maybe every 25 steps.
So
the game has.
Let's go through it.
Yes.
Let's start with the the foundation, and then we will build slowly as we go. So what I like to do when vibe coding, I like to switch Claude to the plan mode. So you just press Shift and Tab, and you can switch it to a plan mode.
What is it?
And the plan mode is basically you give it an idea of what you want to build, and then it does the thinking to put together a plan. Because if you don't give it a solid plan, then it will not produce like. It will develop something based on its own, like it will come up with its own ideas as it develops, right?
Okay.
But if you have a plan, you can refine the plan before starting development, and it's actually going to give you better results, and it will also cost you less, because planning costs less than actually writing code. So we switch to plan mode, and this is where we're going to start. We're going to give it like explanation, a very in-depth explanation of what we want to.
But should
build.
I give like the overall already picture, or just this high level at first? Like, should I tell it about different setups that?
I think we should start with the foundation.
With the foundation.
But and also we don't need to type. We can.
We can speak.
So another thing I use, another tool that is very helpful is Super Whisper. So Super Whisper, you can download it, and it's basically like a voice to text agent, and I can just trigger it here, and we can start speaking, and it will basically transcribe my voice. Should I do it, or do you want to do it?
I want to do it, but if I miss something, you just like will correct me, right?
Okay, go.
So I want to build a jumping kitten game similar to the Chrome Dino game. The kitten should jump from one building to another, and it should not fall. If it falls, the game is over, and the kitten breaks the leg. When the kitten jumps from the main character is a kitten, and it's like a white cat with a pink bow. The game should become more difficult every 10 buildings, and also while the kitten is jumping, it should collect fish coins.
Okay, so now as you can see, it automatically transcribed everything. Should we also tell it about a little bit about the design? So,
yes.
What do you want the buildings to look like? What do you want the environment, like the environment of the game to look like in terms of design, so it doesn't produce something that doesn't look good.
Okay. So in terms of design, I want you to look. I want you to use light colors like pink, like the green, the purple, these girly colors. The buildings should don't use like these boxy buildings with multiple windows. They should have some character. They should be a little bit different. They should have interesting roofs, and maybe you can use some interesting location. The background can be like just like a city skyline with like a pinkish sky.
And then now I would also give it information about your tech stack. So as you mentioned, like because you're only learning, you already learned about front end so far. It needs to be like a static website. So we can only use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I would basically give it this information.
As for my tech stack, I want to use only front-end, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Okay, what else? And then we would say something like...
if you have any questions...
Come up with a plan on how we can... on how to build this game.
Come up with a plan on how we can build this game.
That's it. So now we execute. Execute. Press enter.
Bloviating.
And let it come up with a plan. Do you want to do anything in parallel?
Yes, so because it's a Vibecoding Cafe, we decided it would be cool to make some matcha. So we vibe code and drink. With today...
Can we move it to the side?
Yes. Today's drink is a coco matcha. So we will be using coconut water. It's like a super popular drink in Dubai. That's where we're coming from. And currently we're not in Dubai, so we cannot buy. So, but you need to use ice to make it nice and layering. I'll show you here the picture how the best coco matcha looks like. But it's quite cold, so that's why I don't want to use ice. And you also need to use heavy cream.
You set up a whole cafe. You're...
Oh, I forgot to bring the whisk.
I'll bring it.
So we're going to, we have some milk, but it's better to use cream, but it's because it's fatty, I decided to switch to milk. I use a Japanese ceremonial matcha, like the better matcha you use, the better results you'll get. So I put like around a teaspoon of matcha in our milk, and I also like to add a little bit of sweetener. This is like vanilla sugar, just to make it more nice. Claude is still working.
It's planning.
Yes, so now, and I whisk everything. Don't know. Like
should I record another video from this angle?
Yes, let's do this.
Where's
Your
my
phone
phone?
is here.
We will record another angle so you can see what's happening here.
Maybe horizontal?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
It's like not visible very much. Don't
Wait,
know why.
I'll come from this side.
Oh, it smells like matcha. And it's better to froth it for longer because like usually I get like these matcha crumbs that then fall at the bottom. So now what we do, we just put this milky matcha mixture into our coconut water. It's mixing, but like if you use ice and the heavy cream, it would be much better and like you'll get this nice layer on top. But the drink is ready and Claude is still working and planning. Yeah. So
we made matcha and Claude is still planning. Now let me write the final plan. Okay, so it's writing the final plan. By the way, we're using Opus 4.6 as the model, which is like I think their best coding model. Yeah. Oh, it's nice.
So this is our drink of choice. Let us know in the comments what should be the next drink we should make while Vibecoding.
In the cafe. Yes. And let us know if you want to join the cafe.
Yes.
Because you also have an idea of
creating a Zoom
call, so you can interact with people and
Vibecode together.
Vibecode together. I think that would be cool. Okay, so we have a plan. Let's see. Kitten jump game. Build a side-scrolling jumping game. Chrome Dino style, where the white kitty and pink bow jumps between buildings, collects fish coins, and avoids falling. Pure HTML, CSS, JS with canvas rendering, girly pastel aesthetic. Okay, so it gave us like a structure, file structure, architecture, core mechanics, rendering order. Okay, so this is all the technical stuff, but yeah, for step one, so in terms of implementation, step one, it will do the scaffolding, the input system, so how we interact with the game, create the kitten character, the building. So the buildings, let's see, building objects, generate a new building when rightmost edge. Okay, so basically when it moves through the canvas, it will generate a new building. Gap between buildings increases with difficulty, buildings visuals, pastel wall colors, background, fish coins, scoring. Okay, so it looks...
But now, okay, it gave us like 10 steps, and now if we tell it like execute on it, it will execute on 10 steps itself, right? Like from step 1 to step 10, and then give us like ready-made files.
Yeah. So this is basically like the steps that it will go through to implement, to build this game, basically.
Okay, but if we don't like some of the steps, like we can.
We'll do it at the like after it finishes.
Okay, we can like edit.
Yeah, we can refine.
Okay.
Should we start? Okay.
Building.
Yes. So these initial steps of like the planning and the initial implementation is what takes up it's where you wait the longest because it needs to build quite a lot of things. But then And also maybe it's because like we actually are not game designers. Like I don't have game design experience, so I cannot guide it step by step how to build it. Like we're starting quite high level and we're giving it quite
vague description.
Not vague, but like a very high level description. And we're asking it to do a lot of the thinking.
Yes.
With other types of projects, like if we were building a web app, for example, I would know, I could guide it step by step on how to build it, and it will probably give me better results in terms of what I'm expecting, because I have more knowledge on what I wanted to do behind the scenes. Whereas here we both don't have game design knowledge, so we're asking you to take a lot of the decisions.
And also, honestly, I already tried to develop this game yesterday, and I just wrote this first idea of how I imagined the game to look like, and I didn't manage to get a good result because first of all I didn't have a clear picture in my head, and second of all I was just giving prompt after prompt to coding agent, and it started messing up with the code. I think for me as a beginner in vibe coding, one of the most important lessons that I'm learning now is that you first need to have a clear picture in your head. Yes, you need to plan and strategize, to have this clear picture, and then you use AI as your tool that can build for you things.
Yeah, but it's also important to know that the more you understand about the background, what is actually the actual code that it's writing, the better the result will be, because it's you're guiding it better.
Yes, because I don't know anything about game design, and I don't know how to guide it. I face the problem that I didn't like the design. Let's see if the new design will be better.
Yeah.
But I think to guide it better, you need to have some kind of knowledge in it. I tried to use ChatGPT to give me some information on
prompting ideas.
Yes, prompting ideas, and it didn't help as well. So it's so important for you to understand what's going on.
Yeah. Oh,
it's ready.
We got something, but it also says that we hit our 93% of our session limit.
Then it means we will switch to Codex. And then to open your game, you need to use a HTML file.
The kitten game.
Let's try to play. Oh, but this one looks a little better than the previous one. The kitten looks high.
The fish look nice.
Yes.
Nice animations on the fish.
The buildings are better. I will also paste here how the first version looked and you will tell me.
And you also got better at playing the game, Renata.
Which one you like the most? Yeah, I was so bad at playing the game. My kitten was always falling. I think we need to add a road at the bottom. Now it's missing.
I actually like it more than yesterday.
But I don't like the graphics.
Yeah, it's the quality of for some reason the quality of the graphics is not very good.
Yes, I think we need.
I think this is a different type of the tech stack is different.
Yeah.
It looks more like it's a flash game. Ah! Oh. Meow. Kitty broke a leg.
I think what the first ideas that come into my mind is to add the road at the bottom, it's falling on the road.
Okay.
Then another idea.
It has some design.
Yes, a design issue. So I would separate these three elements. Why score? Score is strange. We can remove the score because I think buildings and fish coins is enough. Or score is something like a multiplication of both. I would separate buildings, put
I think it's a multiplication.
Okay, let's put then, I would create a separate box for buildings, a separate box for fish coins collected, and score.
Mm-hmm. But I think it's better to do it step by step, the road first, and then in the next prompt.
But can I just list for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, different steps?
You can. It should execute it, but potentially if it focuses on one thing at a time, maybe it will do a better job.
Okay, let's try. So where is
you want to do voice again?
Yes.
But it's a good game so far. It's playable. I want to see. Oh. Hey. Also, we need to make that. We need to increase the runway of the kitten initially.
Yes, because it like falls.
The kitten looks a bit strange.
Yes. I think we need to move the bow on the neck, not on the head. Yeah. It looks like a kitten.
Let's see if it gets harder.
It gets faster when I was playing.
Have you ever played games like this when you were a kid?
Yes, I liked playing. My favorite game was Super Cow.
Super Cow?
Yes, like the cow is running there collecting money and then also fighting a little bit. But you cannot play this game on Mac. I already checked today. Let me know if you played Super Cow as well.
I used to play Temple Run. Temple Run was a very popular game. I think it still is very popular. Subway Surfers.
Yeah, that's one, yeah.
Similar type of game. And then there was that Flappy Bird. Remember Flappy Bird?
Yeah. It was a difficult one.
It was a huge, a very popular game at some point, and it was actually the most similar one to this one. Oh, the buildings and perfect.
Yeah, they're becoming smaller. They're getting smaller.
How is it doing?
Still.
I think we will soon run out of tokens, and it will ask us to wait for 3 hours to reset. It's done.
Okay, let's see.
So we refresh our browser and go.
Okay, now we have a road.
Now we have a road.
The next change, I want you to implement 2 other changes. First is increase the runway because the kitten falls before we start the game. And then the second one, can you please separate the boxes for buildings and then score at the bottom fish coins, the number at the bottom, and the score, the number at the bottom. So we have 3 separate blocks.
So like a table view.
Table view, yes. All in one line. Okay, now it's better.
Yeah, so we now have a runway, and the scores are nice.
This the view is strange.
The graphics?
Yeah, the graphics are strange.
Please tell me why the graphics of this game do not look very crisp. Is it because of the tech stack, or is there something that we can change to make it more crispy and high definition? That's it. The issue was that the canvas had 800 pixels.
No, so it already implemented the changes.
I did already?
I think so.
No, it's but now it's more crisp, you see.
It's more crisp, yes, but the game is small.
Okay, now it did something again.
No.
Much better, okay.
Yes. I would also change...
But I have a feeling that if you resize it to different screen sizes, the quality will not match.
Yeah, but this is what we need to test. I also wanted to add seams every 25 buildings. Oh, look at the bird. Oh, look. So beautiful.
Yeah, you just lost. Because of the birds.
Can we also add themes? Every 25 buildings, the layout, or how it's called, the background of the game changes a bit. For example, we start in a city, then we go into park, and buildings become more surrounded by trees. They become smaller. Then other 25 buildings we add matcha cafes. Then other 25 buildings Pilates studios. But the buildings should be you should tell that this is a Pilates studio or matcha cafe. They should be maybe more detailed. For example, matcha cafe should be in this Japanese style with a brown roof. Let's try it.
You run out of ideas there.
Was it a good prompt or it's not a good prompt?
I think you started, in my opinion, you started good with starts with a city, then it goes to a park. But then when he said matcha cafe as another theme, to me that sounds confusing because what does that look like in terms of the background? Because I can imagine a matcha building, but then in terms of a theme for the whole background, I cannot visualize it. Okay, so...
Oh, it's done and... What?
No, these are the stats.
Okay.
So it's telling us that No, it's just general stats. Anyway, so some changes have been implemented. So resetting.
And let's see, it's like the new.
After 25 buildings,
Yes,
the theme should change. Let's
see if we manage to reach 25th building. Oh, it's getting fast. This one is getting difficult more fast than the previous one. Okay, we're close to park. Okay, change the background. The buildings are. Okay, it's nice. So that's what we managed to develop today.
This is our kitty game.
This is our kitten game that we vibe coded together. Hopefully this was a helpful video for you and you got inspired also to start web coding if you are new to it. Or like you enjoyed watching us. Let us know in the comments and see you.
Let us know what you would like to see next. We're happy to do more videos that are helpful.
Yes, more helpful apps. See you.
I'm getting to 25. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, it gets hard. We should publish this soon and have your audience
opinion about
try it out.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.